What if you could design your next flyer in 60 seconds? Without a designer, without Photoshop, without years of practice? Here's the truth most entrepreneurs won't admit. Paying designers eats your margin, turnaround takes days, and the work still comes back looking generic. Meanwhile, your competitors are shipping 10 posts a week, and you're stuck on one. The gap isn't talent, it's the tool. The AI Graphic Design Masterclass is the shortcut. You learn to prompt. AI does the heavy lift. Logos, flyers, mockups, social, every asset your brand needs. In hours, not weeks. 11 modules, 25 plus lessons, beginner to portfolio ready in 10 weeks. Built for entrepreneurs, freelancers, anyone tired of waiting. 1,200 students, a 4.9 rating. Real wins: Amina from Yaoundé, first paying client by week 6. Kofi from Accra, 10 times the value of the price. Sara from Abuja, finally, a course that's affordable and practical. 11 modules, flyers, logos, business cards, mockups, social graphics, freelancing. You finish with a real portfolio, a certificate, the skills to start charging clients. Today, only $20 down to $13. Lifetime access, certificate of completion, 30-day money-back guarantee, no risk, no waiting. Click the link below, enroll now. Your first client design is one course away.